In today's fast-paced world, how we access mental health services is evolving rapidly. With the rise of technology, online therapy has become increasingly popular as a convenient and accessible alternative to traditional in-person therapy. In this video, we will delve into the effectiveness of online therapy compared to in-person therapy, exploring the benefits and considerations of each approach. Clearly defining online therapy and in-person therapy for our viewers is essential to understanding the differences between the two. Online therapy, or teletherapy or telehealth, involves receiving mental health services through digital platforms such as video calls, phone calls, or messaging apps. On the other hand, in-person therapy refers to the traditional face-to-face sessions with a therapist in a physical setting. The growing trend of online therapy has had a significant impact on mental health services, making therapy more accessible to individuals who may have barriers to seeking help in person. This shift has opened up new possibilities for reaching a broader audience and supporting those who may not have access to traditional therapy services. Exploring the similarities and differences between online and in-person therapy is crucial to determining which approach may be more effective for each individual's unique needs. While both modalities aim to support and guide mental health concerns, they offer distinct advantages and limitations that should be considered when choosing the most suitable option. By examining the effectiveness of online therapy compared to in-person therapy, we can gain valuable insights into how technology is reshaping the landscape of mental health care and empowering individuals to prioritize their well-being in a way that aligns with their lifestyle and preferences. Benefits of online therapy. Online therapy offers many advantages for individuals seeking mental health support. It revolutionizes the way we approach therapy and makes it more accessible than ever before. One key benefit of online treatment is its convenience in accessing therapy from anywhere with an internet connection. Whether at home, work, or traveling, you can connect with a therapist with just a few clicks, eliminating the need to commute to a physical office. The flexibility in scheduling sessions that online therapy offers is another significant advantage. With online therapy, you can book sessions at times that work best for you, fitting therapy into your busy schedule without the constraints of traditional office hours. This flexibility can be especially beneficial for individuals with demanding jobs, caregiving responsibilities, or other commitments that make it challenging to attend in-person sessions regularly. Moreover, online therapy can reduce barriers to seeking help that may prevent individuals from accessing traditional therapy services. Issues such as transportation challenges, living in remote areas, or concerns about stigma can be alleviated through online therapy, allowing individuals to receive support in a comfortable and private setting. This is particularly beneficial for those who feel more at ease opening up about their mental health concerns in a virtual environment. By offering convenience, flexibility, and a reduced stigma associated with seeking help, online therapy is breaking down barriers and empowering individuals to prioritize their mental well-being in a way that is tailored to their needs and preferences. The accessibility and ease of online therapy make it a valuable option for those seeking support and guidance on their mental health journey. Limitations of online therapy. While online therapy offers numerous benefits, it also comes with limitations and challenges that individuals should consider when deciding between online therapy and in-person sessions. One significant drawback of online therapy is the potential lack of non-verbal cues in online communication. In traditional face-to-face therapy, therapists can observe clients' body language, facial expressions, and other non-verbal signals to understand their emotions and reactions better. In an online setting, these non-verbal cues may be more challenging to interpret, potentially impacting the depth of communication and connection between the therapist and the client. Another challenge associated with online therapy is the reliance on internet connectivity, which can affect the quality of therapy sessions. Issues such as poor internet connection, lagging audio or video, or technical glitches can disrupt the flow of communication and hinder the effectiveness of the therapy session. This reliance on technology introduces unpredictability that may not be present in traditional in-person therapy settings. Furthermore, building rapport and trust with a therapist through online platforms can be more challenging than face-to-face interactions. The physical distance and lack of in-person contact may make it harder for clients to feel fully connected and understood by their therapist, potentially impacting the therapeutic relationship. Establishing a solid therapeutic alliance is essential for effective therapy outcomes, and the limitations of online platforms in fostering this connection should be considered. By acknowledging and addressing these limitations of online therapy, individuals can make informed decisions about the most suitable approach for their mental health needs. While online therapy offers convenience and accessibility, it is essential to recognize and navigate the potential challenges to ensure a positive and practical therapeutic experience. Effectiveness of in-person therapy. Traditional face-to-face therapy sessions offer unique benefits and effectiveness that stem from direct human interaction and in-person connection between the therapist and client. One of the critical advantages of in-person therapy is the value of direct human interaction in therapeutic relationships. Being in the same physical space allows for a more profound connection, empathy, and understanding between the therapist and client, fostering a solid therapeutic alliance essential for effective therapy outcomes. The role of body language and in-person connection in therapy outcomes must be considered in in-person therapy. Nonverbal cues such as facial expressions, gestures, and posture play a crucial role in communication and understanding emotions, providing additional layers of insight that may not be fully captured in online therapy settings. The ability to read and respond to these nonverbal cues can enhance the therapeutic process and facilitate more meaningful and impactful sessions. Moreover, in-person therapy can provide clients with a more immersive and personalized experience, creating a supportive and safe environment for exploration and growth. The physical presence of the therapist can offer a sense of security and comfort, allowing clients to engage more deeply in the therapeutic process and work through challenges in a face-to-face setting. The personalized attention and tailored approach that in-person therapy offers can lead to more targeted interventions and effective outcomes for clients seeking mental health support. By recognizing the unique benefits of in-person therapy, individuals can appreciate the depth of connection, the richness of the communication, and the personalized experience that traditional face-to-face sessions provide. The immersive nature of in-person therapy can create a therapeutic environment that promotes healing, growth, and transformation for clients seeking support and guidance on their mental health journey. Comparative analysis. When it comes to the effectiveness of therapy, the choice between online therapy and in-person therapy is a decision that individuals must carefully consider based on their unique needs and preferences. Empirical evidence and studies comparing the outcomes of online and in-person therapy can offer valuable insights into the effectiveness of each modality. Research has shown that both online therapy and in-person therapy can be effective in treating a wide range of mental health concerns, with comparable outcomes in terms of symptom reduction and client satisfaction. Factors influencing the choice between online and in-person therapy for individuals include convenience, accessibility, comfort level with technology, and the nature of the therapeutic relationship. On the other hand, in-person therapy may be chosen by those who value the depth of connection and nonverbal communication that face-to-face interactions offer. For example, individuals experiencing severe mental health symptoms or crises may benefit from the immediate support and intervention that in-person therapy can provide. By comparing the effectiveness of online therapy versus in-person therapy side by side, and considering individual needs and preferences, individuals can make informed choices that align with their therapy goals and support their mental health and well-being. Client preferences and therapist expertise. When choosing between online therapy and in-person therapy, individual preferences and therapist qualifications are crucial in determining the most suitable approach for mental health support. Matching the therapy modality to the client's comfort and needs is essential for creating a therapeutic environment that fosters trust, connection, and positive outcomes. Understanding and respecting client preferences regarding the mode of therapy delivery can enhance the therapeutic relationship and promote a sense of safety and collaboration. Therapists providing online therapy should possess the necessary skills, knowledge, and expertise to deliver evidence-based interventions and support clients in a virtual setting. Training in teletherapy techniques, ethical considerations in online practice, and familiarity with digital platforms are essential for therapists to navigate online therapy's unique challenges and opportunities effectively. Therapist expertise and specialization can significantly influence the effectiveness of both online and in-person therapy. Therapists with specialized training and experience in specific modalities or populations may be better equipped to address complex mental health concerns and provide targeted interventions that align with client needs. The depth of a therapist's expertise, whether in online or in-person settings, can enhance the quality of therapy outcomes and support clients in achieving their therapeutic goals. Both modalities offer unique advantages and limitations that can impact the therapeutic experience and outcomes. Whether opting for online or in-person therapy, prioritizing comfort, trust, and communication can enhance the therapeutic process and support positive outcomes. Encouraging viewers to explore further resources or seek professional guidance when considering therapy options can empower individuals to make informed choices about their mental health care. Consulting with a qualified therapist, researching reputable sources, and engaging in open dialogue about therapy preferences can help individuals navigate the decision-making process and embark on a therapeutic journey that promotes healing, growth, and well-being.